Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this looks like an ABC of wave Y forming. I've just like the wave W was 1, 2, 3 waves. The wave X, I believe, was 1, 2, 3 waves. I think we need to make an ABC of wave Y, which would most likely take it up to these highs, probably someplace up to one of these Fibonacci extension levels to finish off the wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this looks like a nice uptrend. I still think this is a 1 of wave C. This looks like a 2 of wave C, and hopefully we're already finished with that wave 2, and we are getting ready to go up for a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So, keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it does look pretty convincing that this is an ABC correction. It didn't really turn at a fib level, but it did take out the low of wave 4. I would actually consider it respecting the 61.8, especially because it wasn't able to hold below that structure. So I think there is a pretty good chance, especially with this break of structure right here, that this is the end of a correction, and that over the coming weeks, we are most likely going to continue on the daily time frame to make higher highs and higher lows. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, to me, this looks like a nice uptrend right here. And this little push down actually does resemble an ABC correction. It kind of looks like we already have another end of a correction. I think that we had another end of a correction very early in the European session, and that there's a very good likelihood that this is going to just keep on trending up. And that tells me that I am definitely going to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame is where you can see the nice impulsive down. One, two, three waves up. Looks like a wave B. I think this is very clearly a downtrend right here for a wave C. We got a nice break of structure. We do have some pretty decent dollar news today. I think there's a pretty good likelihood that dollar news is going to cause this to keep on trending up. I think this is possibly the end of a correction. Most likely, this is going to be like a 1-2, and this is going to keep on trending up for a wave 3. So I personally am definitely looking for longs at the end of any pullbacks that I see, especially on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.